Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily forward voice messages on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Instagram app. On Instagram you can get into DMs, then in some conversation, and now let me send some voice message to my second account. That's how it works. And now if you want to forward a voice message wherever you want, on email or on any other messenger, you may try to hold down this message, but as you can see, there are no option to forward that message, so Instagram doesn't give you the ability to forward that message itself, but there is simple trick how you can do that. So first swipe down from the top right corner and then hit at that voice at that screen recording icon in that way, and after 3 seconds countdown it will start recording your screen, and now you can just hit at play and wait until that message will play to the end. After that you can just stop screen recording, and it saves to photos. So now you are able to send this screen recording with the recorded audio message from Instagram wherever you want. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.